Glue grip tape?
One of the best constructed things we've ever made. One of the worst skating things we've ever made though.
Anger will get you nowhere. All right, guys, we have never been more excited to be here today at Le Fremont Skate Park.
I've been more excited.
I can see myself.
So today we have this board. It's a very special board. It has a nose and a tail that is like that. That really has nothing to do with what we're doing, because what we're doing is this.
What is that?
It looks like a dead body of a whale.
It's whale blubber grip tape.
That's a lie. Basically, to make a long story short, Gabe had the idea, let's make a ledge out of glue. So then I go to the Braille house and I see this giant thing filled with glue. And then a week later, still there. A week later, still there. A month later, still there. A month and a half later, still there. And this glue, we thought, Gabe thought, Fetty thought, even I thought it would dry.
Eventually.
It never dried. Literally never dried. So then they poured this out in small, thin layers. They thought, let's layer it layer at a time.
Actually, what we did was just let the top layer dry and we kept peeling it off and then layering it like that.
Making a new layer.
Like a nice 7-layer cake.
So this was supposed to be the 100% glue ledge that now is turned into glue grip tape?
Whoa!
That's heavy.
It is actually really heavy.
So I would use this side as the top because it's a lot prettier.
Okay, so I have to cut this?
Yeah.
And apply this? Can we please glue this to the board?
I think we're all out.
So can I just be honest right now?
No.
For the last few weeks I've been imagining cutting this and just the worst things happening.
Like
just
what?
like, you know? I also don't know how you're gonna stick, so I figured that you would just like screw into it.
I feel like we need to give this time in the sun to like let it simmer down. You know what I mean?
I think we screw it down first into the board and then cut it, yeah. Oh yeah.
You know what? We need washers.
We don't have any of those.
No washers? Okay, I thought, no, this isn't gonna work. Now, I'm shocked at how well it's working.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, it's actually sucking down to the board very nicely.
We probably should have put the trucks on first.
It's like cutting skin off a wallaby. Oh. Do you hear that? It's like the rubberiest.
Oh,
jeez.
oh, look at the layers.
That is pretty thick. You guys did pretty good at this.
It looks like you are cutting like crispy skin.
It does. It feels like it as well.
Might be able to pull that last bit out, yeah.
Wow.
All right, let me analyze the layers. Look at that. You see that, dude?
How many layers? 7?
Good, decent amount right there.
This is gonna take so long. I think what we're gonna do is screw through this, put on the trucks, and then take the screws out.
See, this is my nightmare right here. I gotta leave. I can't film this. I cannot film this.
Make sure when you're cutting, kids, cut away from your body. Gabe, this is fully working.
Is it?
Yes, look.
Oh, dude, yes! I knew it!
Oh no, I almost broke the razor blade.
Much safer. That is unreal, dude.
Do you know the way?
There you go.
Look
There
at
we
that.
have it. Aaron, you literally gripped this glue grip tape better than Mario grips with normal grip tape.
True. And then what you do at the end of the grip tape job is... Wow, I really could build your house. Feel that though. Good, right?
Yeah.
It's as if this was gripped by a grip master. Dude, this is gonna be the greatest creation we've ever done. Well, I realized that we thought, oh, we can screw it in and then hammer it off. We don't have a hammer. I mean, it's more or less sucked down. There are certain parts that are like this right here. Like, I feel like we need to get it hot and then just like smash it down.
Kind of looks like really hard cheese.
Dude, it's a pretty good grip job, to be honest. I think that's pretty good.
Just skate it with the screws on there.
Kickflip first try?
You can't pop.
Yeah, you can't pop. Quite the procedure. It's like a 12-part process. Dude, look at that. It's as thick as the board. Dude, that's epic. First try, let's go, watch.
It's your time to shine.
Gabe, do you remember that video we made, which was like shock-absorbing grip tape?
No.
You do. Remember? It was like thick and white. Kind of like that. First try, baby. Oh, you had one job.
That sounds so weird.
Take my phone. I couldn't do it with the phone. That doesn't count for first try. First
Sounds
try.
really weird.
It's like the board lands and then the grip tape lands on the board. Dude.
Uh-oh.
Here I thought the nose and tail were fine and now they're flapping.
There you go.
Legit. It does sound really weird.
Sounds like it's constantly gonna break.
Yet it is the world's strongest,
How heavy is it?
most industrial, durable skateboard.
It's super heavy?
Yeah. Go ahead. Give it a wang dang.
I'm scared. What if I break it?
You won't break it.
No,
dude.
he's had a bad streak.
I have had a. Ooh, it feels weird. What is this feeling? I don't know. All right, I'll try ollie. I don't know. Have you tried it, Gabe?
Not yet, no.
Try it.
I want to stand on it.
Go ahead, Fetty. Don't skate it.
Ew.
Whatever you do.
That feels gross. Those videos where people squish the slime, like it feels how those sound.
It's hard, but bumpy, but it feels like greasy. It feels wet.
Stop!
Nigel, stand on this and give me the most detailed description of what it feels like on your feet.
And then I'll tell you what Gabe said.
It feels like those ergonomic mats.
Oh, okay, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Gabe's description was hard, bumpy, greasy, and wet.
Hard, yes. Bumpy, okay. Greasy?
Rub your foot over it and tell me it doesn't feel greasy.
It just feels slick.
I don't know about greasy, but slick. Wet? I don't know about wet. It feels heavy.
Gabe's taking off his shirt. He's getting all serious. Come on!
I need some hydration.
Dang it. For real?
Some hydration, brother.
How'd you know?
I feel like I'm gonna get a letter on this. Aaron, tell me I can do it.
Gabe, you cannot do this.
No, I knew it!
Shove it is my worst trick.
Whose turn is it? Mine? Wait, I'm last. Wait, did you go?
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay, ref said redo. Go ahead, redo. Oh, wait. Daniel, though.
I have a flag on my foot.
Oh no, I gotta land this. Crikey, Daniel. Kinda scared of this one. I'm gonna lie to you, okay, mate?
There you go.
Come check it out.
I think it's getting squishier.
Oh my goodness, yeah,
It gets
in this
harder.
heat, this is weird.
Doesn't it feel greasy?
Oh, my boots are slipping on it too.
Yep.
Try to shove it there.
Oh yeah.
I'm not trusting myself between the boots and the... I'm not gonna... Too slick.
Hands down, the
I
most
did that.
beautiful
No,
tray
I
flip
did that.
ever. It wasn't as good as Uzi's, but I'll take it.
I don't understand.
He was trying to do a varial flip is what happened. Ride or die, Uzi?
Okay,
I bet you want to do a nollie inward heel flip.
if you request. Ah! Didn't get any grip.
Got him. See what I did there? It's time to take these boys downtown, show them around. Never trying it again!
Oh no!
Is that me?
Oh! I tried to do an ollie big spin and it went stuck to my feet.
We didn't do a kickflip?
No one's kickflipped it.
Oh my god.
Oh, I just did it!
God, I just.
I can feel my full power returning. Remember when I said never again? I had that thought right before I popped. I said, Aaron said never again, don't do it again. And then did it and I didn't do it.
One of the best constructed things we've ever made. One of the worst skating things we've ever made, though. Terrible. It's for you, Aussie Dan.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
I've captured you, Aussie Dan.
Mall grab, you all saw it.
that's
Leave it in the
all-
comments
that's-
below, let's go.
You won't.
Got him!
It was looking good.
All right, Uzi, let's go.
That's a letter all around.
I don't like you.
See, it's a
All
letter.
around, huh? A letter all around? Okay, Dan.
That's what you said?
That's what you said.
That's one.
Oh.
What did I say? I could just feel it, you know. I had a feeling.
You know, it just felt right, you know? When it feels wrong and it feels right, it just feels right.
All right, Dan. Is this a letter all around, Dan?
I'm not saying nothing.
What does this go? Say it, Dan.
A letter all around. Dang boy. If there's anyone gonna land this one, it's G Cruz.
That's my boy. That's my boy, Blue.
Uzi got this 100%.
Oh.
Betty? Yeah. I landed.
Double hands, brother.
2 hands, not okay. 1 hand, redo. Okay.
Planted them. Heel flip, varial flip. Which one?
I mean, heel flip will get more people.
You're right.
To be honest, you can't land either, so it doesn't really matter. He was heckling me hard. I'm heckling him. Gabe, you got it. Okay. Okay.
You looked at you. Dan, I don't know how to heel flip. Oh my gosh. I got one more.
This is your last letter?
Yeah.
Oh!
He did tiger eyes.
I did tiger eyes.
Oh, you tried double.
All right, Fetty, watch. Woo. Dude, you have it. You have it. Anger will get you nowhere. Who's left? Just me and Nigel?
Yeah.
Fork. Oh! With the power of Doug Desautel's. Dang.
No! This is the hardest thing to pop.
Now it's personal, me and this aerial flip. Judges!
Nothing touched.
Just land it, just to do it.
No.
Wait, can I get my redemption?
Yeah, let me
Varial
get one
flip?
more too. Right here. It's messing with my mind, Daniel. It's
Breaking.
getting slipperier and greasier and bumpier and harder and wetter.
I'm gonna show Aaron the varial flip. Yeah, I could do it better.
Oh.
Wow. Alright, I'm done.
All right, that was super fun. The battle continues. Leave it in the comments below what you want to see us skate on next. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. This is your time. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We will help you.